Page 354. Start. The detainee, without submitting to the order of detention and surrendering, filed writ petition number 320 of 2006 in the High Court of Bombay Nagpur bench for an appropriate writ direction or order questioning and setting aside the order of detention dated July 27, 2006, being illegal, unwarranted, and vitiated by malified stop. Others relief were also sought. Stop para. An affidavit in reply was filed by the detaining authority inter alia, contending that the petition filed by the detainee was not maintainable at last stop. The detainee got the information about the order of detention, absconded himself, and the order of detention could not be served upon him. Stop. The order was therefore affixed at a conspicuous place at the residence of the detention on July 30, 2006, and a panchama was drawn by the police inspector of Sakardara Police Station, Nagpur. Stop. Since the detainee was not available, grounds of detention along with relevant documents also could not be served upon him. Stop. It was stated that the order of detention was approved by the state government. Stop. Moreover, the entire proceedings of detention were submitted to the advisory board constituted under Section 10 of the Act as required by law. Stop. The government decided the period of detention only after the opinion of the advisory board under Section 12 of the Act. Stop para. On merits, it was contended on behalf of the detaining authority that the detainee was indulging in black marketing of kerosene oil, which was an essential commodity, and several cases had been registered against him. Stop. It was also stated that the detainee had executed a bond under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for good behavior. Stop. In spite of all these steps, the detainee continued to indulge in black marketing activities of essential commodities, and the detaining authority was satisfied that with a view to preventing him from acting in any manner prejudicial to the maintenance of supplies of essential commodities to the community, it was necessary to detain him, and accordingly the order was passed. Stop. It was therefore submitted that the petition was liable to be dismissed, particularly when the detainee absconded and the order of detention along with grounds of detention and other documents could not be personally served and could not be executed. Stop.